Your analysis do not need to be hard, tedious, or difficult in order for you to have a successful entry. All you need to do is you keep things simple and not complicated. You find your entries and you put in your trade and let the market in. This is Soji and you're welcome to Soji FOREX. If you're coming across our channel for the first time, please do well to go to our previous video. On this channel, we share ideas on how you can trade the financial market, capitalize on these ideas, practice them, and you will eventually end up in becoming a profitable trader when you master all these lessons. So in today's video, I want to share with you a simple way of analysis and how you can make your entries, just keeping things simple. Looking at this trade from this area, you'll see that the market is on a downtrend. This is our trend line and market has been on a downtrend. You can see here we are having our series of lower high, and you see we have our lower lows, lower low. So regardless of how you want to trade it, the most important thing is we are in a downtrend. And if you are using indicators for analysis, you see that from this zone, from here, price is already hanging around our 50 EMA and our middle Bollinger Band line, which indicate to us that we are in a downtrend. And of course, price was down here when it pulls back to this upside. Alright, and then we should have an entry here based on our candlestick pattern, which is this, which gave us a bearish engulfing candle. Would have been in this cell, and this could have played out in our favor. And if you look at here as well, price has been coming down as a downtrend. So all you need to do, you will know that this is a bearish flag pattern. So what we have here is a bearish flag pattern, price coming down. Even this bearish flag pattern, you draw your trend line, price break out of this trend line. You see this pullback, which gave us a retest of the trend line, and you would have made this sell entry as well, that you'll be in this other trade. You can see how simple this can be. And here price is moving to the upside, and you can eventually as well pick up now your trend line to this zone and draw this. You are waiting for price to break out of this, and price break out of this trend line. So this should have been your follow-up. This second candle is your follow-up candle for an entry. Your entry would have been here, your stop loss here, and you could have been in this trade for a short while. And of course, this is as well a short pattern. Okay, and afterwards price push up, and we would have caught in a triangular short pattern in this area. This could have been another short pattern, and as you can see, this is a symmetrical triangle. Price break out of it. You could have been in this cell. And of course, price is at our upper Bollinger Band, and we've established that whenever price are upper Bollinger Band, we are looking forward to a reversal signal, and this eventually plays out. Price break out of it, which gave us a break of structure from what we were having here. Okay, so if you have to trade this on a long run, you should be having something as simple as this. This could have been your trend line connecting these points together. That's an uptrend, and here you have price break out of it, and this low was taken out. This low was taken out, so eventually you have a break of structure. And what is the next thing you will do? You can as well extend this your trend line now. After this your break of structure to somewhere here. And remember, we've talked about order block. So if you have not watched our video on order block, we recommend you go to our previous video. You mark out this order block. Okay, it's as simple as that. You pick your Fibonacci level and mark out this zone. And that is it. You look at what happened. Price came all the way down. Price pulled back into the order block. 88.5 Fibonacci level gave us a bearish pin bar. Okay, you can see it here. Price gave us a beautiful bearish pin bar, and if you are somebody that trades pattern, as the case may be, you realize that we have a double top. 1, 2. So this is a double top, an M pattern formation, and price make its way regardless of whatever is your pattern of trading. It gave us this beautiful double top, and price is making its way to the downside. So you just keep things simple. You don't need to make it complicated. And as you can see now, we can extend our trend line to this zone. So that's why it is important you watch every video, because every video is important. Watch the video on Fibonacci so you can know how to combine your Fibonacci. Watch the video of other blocks, because you need the other blocks for you to draw your trend line. You need the other blocks for you to identify your structural point. So all of these are put together in order for you to find a successful trade entry. And you can see how it plays out. See our TP, and it is playing out very well. Okay, let's look at another asset. Of course, this is cash 1000, and this could have been a very simple one as well. All you need to do, see this trend line, and the market has been coming down, and here we have a divergence. This is a low, this is another low, this is our divergence here. We have our trend line. This is a break of structure at this level. So this structural point was broken by this move to the upside. And immediately that happens, we already have, this is our order block. So you mark out your order block OB, And look at what happened. Price came down, this come here, break structure, and price pulled back into our order block and it moved to the upside. See the new order block, price came into it and it moved to the upside. So the patterns continue, and you can see that the price is playing out beautifully as it ought to be. So regardless of what you are trading, even if you are trading a trend line, by now you should have made entry. Now you should have connected your trend line. You can see it beautifully. Okay, price already break this first one. Price already break this, and price is already moving to the upside. So you should have made your entry here, because this is more or less like a break. A retest should have been here. You buy, you have another entry here, and then you have another entry here. It would have been in this trade to the upside. So just keeping things simple, and here you would have had a series of chart pattern playing out. Wedge pattern, symmetrical triangle, and then you see these things playing out all the way. So just keeping things simple. Go to this video again and go to every other video.